Want to avoid costly foundation repairs? You should be getting your home's foundation inspected at least once every 3 to 5 years, or right away if you spot any warning signs. Okay, so here's the deal with foundation inspections. First off, don't wait until you see cracks or doors that stick to call a pro. Regular checkups help catch problems early. If you notice things like uneven floors, gaps around windows or doors, or even small cracks in the walls, that's a big red flag to get it checked as soon as possible. When you do schedule an inspection, make sure the inspector is experienced with foundation issues so they can spot subtle signs of trouble. Keep an eye on water drainage around your home too, because poor drainage can wreck the foundation over time. Also, if you're thinking about big landscaping or construction projects near your house, get the foundation inspected beforehand to avoid surprises. Remember, foundation inspections aren't just about safety. They can boost your home's value by keeping everything solid and secure. Lastly, always keep records of your inspections and any repairs so you have proof if you ever decide to sell your place. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with foundation inspections is waiting too long. This often leads to more severe damage and way higher repair costs. To fix this, set reminders to get an inspection every few years and act fast if you notice any damage signs. Another common issue is hiring someone who isn't qualified specifically for foundation work. Always check credentials and reviews before booking an inspection. The third mistake is ignoring water management around your property, which can cause soil erosion and foundation shifting. The fix here is simple. Maintain gutters, downspouts, and proper grading to keep water flowing away from your home. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation work and other big home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors find legit jobs from people who really need their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone involved.